Hey friends, if you wish to stop Windows 11 from installing updates on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. There's an option to pause Windows updates. You can click on this and it will be paused for 1 week. You can extend it for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, for 4 weeks, and when you wish to resume them, then click on resume updates. I usually select the period before pausing it itself. Like I can pause it for 5 weeks and then it is paused till 9th of June 2024. So this is the maximum you can do. A lot of websites promote a registry level method, but that used to be effective earlier. Now it is not. Now it won't work. So the maximum you can pause your update is up to uh, a few weeks, but after that here's what you can do. If you really don't want the updates, search for services.msc or services and then open the services window. Now scroll down to the Windows Update tab and then right click on Windows Update and then select stop. And if you stop this, then it will stay stopped till you restart your computer, and then you can stop it again and again and again till you want to. This is one way. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.